The 10th problem which we have in hand is, we are given with log of modulus x square minus 5x plus 4 upon x square minus 4 to the base 10 is given to be equal to 0, and we need to find the value of x satisfying the given equation. Now in order to solve this problem, we first check the domain of x. Since this whole thing is kept within the modulus sign, so we need not worry about this. But one thing is sure, x square minus 4 should not be equal to 0. So x should not be equal to plus minus 2. So after solving the whole equation, if we get the values of x as plus minus 2, we will reject them. Now this is written as x square minus 5x plus 4 upon x square minus 4 is equal to 1. We take this to the right hand side since it is positive to get x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to modulus of x square minus 4, which gives x minus 1, x minus 4 within the modulus is equal to x minus 2, x plus 2 within the modulus. This is equation in which there are 4 critical points. The 4 critical points are x equals 2, x equals minus 2, x equals 1 and x equals 4. So we write these critical points in ascending order. They are x equals minus 2, 1, 2 and 4. We make the number line and mark these points. Since there are modulus signs involved, so we try to analyze the solution of the given equation in different domains, or rather in different intervals of x. Our first interval will be x less than minus 2. Now we are given with x minus 1, x minus 4 whole inside modulus is equal to modulus of x minus 2, x plus 2. Now if x is less than minus 2, then this is negative, negative into negative is positive, so this will open as positive only, equals, this will be negative, negative into negative will again open as positive, so this will become x square minus 4. This becomes 5x equals 8, x equals 8 by 5. But checking with the given interval, we need to satisfy that x should be less than minus 2. So this solution will be rejected as it does not appear in the given interval x belonging to minus infinity to minus 2. So this case is rejected. Now we have case 2, in which the interval is minus 2 to 1. Now in minus 2 to 1, this is negative, so the total will be positive. Now this is positive, this is negative into positive is negative, so it will open as 4 minus x square. So this becomes 2x square minus 5x equals 0, which gives x equals 0 and 5 by 2. Now the interval is minus 2 to 1 and 5 by 2 is not appearing in the interval, so we reject this, and the only solution which we get is x equals 0. So we have got our first solution as x equals 0. We try to find out other solutions. Our third range is x belonging to 1 to 2. Now in x belonging to 1 to 2, we again write the equation. This is positive, this is negative, so this will open as minus of x square minus 5x plus 4. This is positive, this is negative, so this will open as minus times x square minus 4. This cancels out. these cancel out, so we get x equals 8 by 5, and we can clearly see x equals 8 by 5, which is equal to 1.6, lies in the given interval 1 to 2, so we accept this solution. So we have got our second solution to be equal to 8 by 5. Now we analyze our fourth range, or rather the fourth interval. Our case 4 is x belonging to 2 to 4. Now this will open as negative and this will open as positive. So this becomes x equals 0 and 5 by 2. Now 0 is not appearing in the range, so we reject this. 5 by 2 is appearing in the range, so we accept this, and we get a third solution as x equals 5 by 2. Now last and final range is x belonging to 4 to infinity. This is positive, this is positive, this will open as x square minus 5x plus 4 equals x square minus 4, which gives x equals 8 by 5. But 8 by 5 is not lying in this range, so we reject this value of x. So the three values of x satisfying our given equation are x equals 0, x equals 8 by 5 and x equals 5 by 2. In the given question, we learned how to open modulus signs in different situations when the given factor is greater than 0 or when the given factor is less than 0. So we need to remember these concepts for the forthcoming chapters. And the final values of x satisfying the given equation are x equals 0, x equals 8 by 5 and x equals 5 by 2.